All right, let's unbox this bad boy. This is the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. It just came in from Best Buy. I personally never read any of the paperwork. Now, I never throw it away, but I never read it, so let's toss that aside. We have a nice little Sony strap. Something about tossing things around my neck don't sit right with me, so let's toss that aside. Let's see what's in here. I already know what this is. This is gonna be your windscreen. I never really use these, but I do keep it with the camera just in case. It might be one day where I actually need this. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, we have the battery. And this is the FZ100 battery. This is the same battery found in the big boy cameras like the FX3, the A7 III. Now let's get to the main attraction, the camera itself. Now I have not held this camera anywhere. I watched a bunch of videos, but I haven't held it. So this is my first time actually holding this camera. Wow, I like how it feels. It feels really nice in hand so far. Now, one of many reasons why I grabbed this camera over the original Sony ZV-E10 is this switch right here. I no longer have to worry about accidentally pressing the button and shooting in SQ mode. Another thing I really like about the Mark II over the original, the SD card is no longer stored in the same compartment as the battery underneath the camera. All the unboxings that I watched, the battery was always dead, but I'm gonna just throw this bad boy in here for sport. So let's toss that in there, close it up. Since I mentioned the SD card not being in the battery compartment, let's locate the SD card right here. I love this. This is gonna be so much easier to throw my SD card in and out of the camera without having to go underneath the camera right beside my tripod. Mic and USB-C port. And then we have the HDMI and headphone jack. Now, another reason why I picked the Mark II over the original is this is a full touchscreen. This is also running a Bionz XR processor, which is 8 times faster than the Bionz X processor found in the original Sony ZV-E10. Now, the grip on this bad boy is amazing coming from the Sony ZV-1F. Now, I'm really gonna have to get used to the power button being right. Wait, it came on? Every unboxing I watched, there was a break at this part because they put the battery in and the battery was always completely dead. So I'm actually surprised that it actually came on. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and set this thing up. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have that much juice. And as you can see, the camera did not come with a USB-C cable or a power adapter. So once this dies, that's it. And I kind of wanna do this whole unboxing video tonight. Now, I did grab the model, as you can see, with the kit lens, because this is my first ever APS-C camera. I literally came from the bottom of the barrel with the Sony ZV-1F with the fixed lens. So I'm ready to see how this lens performs. And the battery is actually beat. But that's cool though. We're gonna get this thing charged up and see what we're working with. All right, I'm recording this part of the video with a 3 capsule mic that's built into the camera so you guys can hear how that sounds. My little ones are in the other room making a little bit of noise, so I'm wondering if it's gonna pick that up. Now, this is just the unboxing video. I'm gonna do another video where I will do a full in-depth review. I obviously can't do that right now. I just got the camera, so I have to learn a little bit about the camera, use it a little bit. What I'm shooting on right now is auto settings. Now, I never shoot in auto, but I figure for the sake of the video, I'll just go to auto settings. So this is the camera fresh out the box, untouched. But that's all I got for you guys for now. The next video will be a lot more detail, and I will tell you guys everything I like about the camera, things that I don't like about the camera, and all that good jazz. But stay blessed, not stressed, pray more, not less. I'm out.